Hi, it's the Hub Mama. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to use hashtags on the IHUBApp. Now, hashtags is a pretty new feature. It's so awesome. They basically act as an additional filter so that people can find your content in a different way. And so it just improves the user experience. It helps people find your content that much easier, and it's super simple. So hashtags can be used everywhere. They can be used in post pages, they can even be used in comments. So wherever you feel like you would want that particular item, whether it's a post page or a comment, to show up in a filtered list of content using that hashtag, use it. So I'm going to show you. I wrote a post for my hubmama.ihub.app the other day, and I just realized yesterday that I forgot to do my hashtags. So I'm just going to start out showing you how. I'm just going to do the first couple paragraphs and show you how it works. So again, you're really just going to use those hashtag for any word that you feel like would be relevant to your content that you want people to find content on. So for me, that would be user experience. When it's two words, you want to bring them together, just like in social media. And let's see, monetization is another one. Let's see, paid webinars is another one because some of my coaches would want to know about that. And let's see, it's too general, maybe. Let's see. Okay, I think that's good for now. So we'll click on update. So my post updates, then I'm going to open the post and I'm going to show you how it works. So here's the post, and you can see the hashtags that I added pop out in blue. So if somebody clicks on it, it will show all of the content. These just happen to be posts where I've used that hashtag. And so, like I said, it's just an awesome way for your content to be that much more accessible to your users. So that's it. That's all I have for this very simple and quick tutorial. This is a great feature. Use it liberally, but keep it relevant. You want your hashtags to be relevant so people use them. Have a great day.